the interesting part is the init equals limit systemd, which basically tells it to not run upstart as for booting up. Eventually this will go away. Currently we allow you to install upstart and systemd at the same time. But as soon as we say, okay, systemd is the way forward, which will very likely happen eventually, we will just, you don't have to put that anymore. So, if we look at this now. So this is still the early boot up script that we had from Classic. What you said, see there, saw there was the boot up script from Classic, and there we are. This is crypto home and all kinds of weird shit installed, so this is actually, yeah. And it actually works everything, like, you can connect to it via SSH here, and it will start, that was the point where it started SSHD on demand. And then I can log in. And then we even see a really cute thing here, and I probably should stop this now, because otherwise my speaker will be. Because what you see, for example, here is I logged in as SSH now, and it actually created a control group, but because I didn't really explain control groups, you're probably not going to understand that. But what you will see here, this is the output of PS, showing the control group for each process. So you see the bash process that was created from this SSH login. Is in this control group, and this is actually the IP address that we use for the connection. So we actually create, for every SSH instance, we create this control group, and we name it after the IP address that connected it. So the administrators should love us because they can actually figure out what is what and where did things come from, because we have it like in the PS tree. That's awesome.
How many sequences say compared to the traditional?
I'm not going to tell you any numbers right now, but we have numbers. They show up on my blog in the coming week at least. And I probably need to play around with ReaderHead a little bit more so that I can actually show you the real data. But yeah, anyway, it's really pretty fast. Okay, so I probably already am over my time, but why didn't the next guy complain? I don't know. Okay, so